A Swagbucks withdrawal can stay in pending because the platform runs automatic fraud checks on cashouts, especially when the account activity, payment method, or recent earnings pattern looks different from normal behavior. By the end of this, you'll know why withdrawals get stuck, how long each stage usually lasts, and what you can actually do to move it forward or avoid delays next time. The first thing to understand is that Swagbucks does not process withdrawals instantly in most cases. Rewards go through a verification stage before they are released. During this time, the system checks for offer completion validity, account consistency, and payment eligibility. Start by checking your redemption history inside your Swagbucks account. Look for the exact status of the withdrawal. If it says pending, it means the payment has been accepted but not released yet. If it says approved, then the delay is usually on the payment provider side like PayPal or gift card processing. Next, avoid making changes to your account while it's pending. Changing your email, switching devices repeatedly, or using VPNs during this stage can extend the review time because the system sees new activity patterns that don't match the original request. If you recently completed high-value offers, that can also trigger a longer review. These offers are more closely checked because they involve third-party advertisers, and Swagbucks needs to confirm the completion before releasing funds. Make sure your account details are complete and consistent. Missing profile information or mismatched identity details can slow down verification. If support needs clarification, they will usually contact you through your registered email. If your withdrawal has been pending for longer than usual, the next step is to contact Swagbucks support through the help center. Include your registered email, the withdrawal amount, and the date you requested the cash out. Keep the message short so they can locate the transaction quickly. Do not submit multiple support tickets for the same withdrawal. That can push your request further back in the queue, because duplicate tickets are often merged into one case. Also avoid requesting a new withdrawal while the current one is still pending. That can complicate processing and cause additional delays in some cases. In most situations, pending withdrawals are released automatically after verification is complete. Only a small number of cases require manual support intervention. The key points are simple. Pending status means verification is still happening. Avoid making account changes during that time. And contact support only if the delay goes beyond normal processing. Your next step is to check your withdrawal status inside your account and wait for the verification stage to complete before taking further action. If it's already delayed beyond normal timing, send one clear support request. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward Swagbucks fixes and payout guides.